What's the meaning of conveyancing? Conveyancing. Conveyancing.
Conveyancing. Conveyancing. Conveyancing refers to the legal process of transferring the ownership of property, such as land or a house, from one person or entity to another. The result of a successful conveyancing transaction is the transfer of legal title from the seller to the buyer. This involves multiple steps, including conducting property searches, verifying the seller's legal right to sell the property, preparing legal documents, and registering the change in ownership with relevant government bodies. A successful conveyancing process ensures that the buyer has clear and undisputed legal ownership of the property, giving them the right to use, sell, or mortgage it.